kung advice ka, before na tayo dito pa, advice ka, men, are you ready? Back up ready? Doorman is ready? Hostman is ready? Hostman number 2 is ready? Hydrant is ready. Pag ingon niya, hydrant is ready, ingon ka ma'am, hydrant is ready. Hydrant is ready. Hydrant is ready. Then after that, ready the hydrant, open the valve. Open the valve, open the valve, open the valve, open the valve. The valve is open. Pressure is coming. Pressure is coming. Pressure is coming. Pressure is coming. Pressure is coming.
Wala man sila ka-kuan.
Ang kawan, cool down. Ingon kayo ka. Open the door. Ang level to, Durman. Durman, ganiya.
Timor na mo sa...
Ganiya, Durman, ingani, oh. After me mo mapil, feet up and down, side by side. Balik at clutch. Apply. Eh kung na-pressure, at least mag-cook na niyo. And now is open. Dagang kabaling dia. That's the time na may yung bend, attack. Attack, one step at a time. Diniting sa nozzle sa attack. Head. Head. Okay na ba?
Mawala. Mabigyan mawala. Pusta yun.
Kada nga sitting. Pag. Trim. Getting closer to the wire. You're setting to back. Sweep. Ako ha? Pag-awin din nga eh. Trim. Pag. Trim. Pag. Close the ball. Pag. Close the ball.
Ha?